Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Going to be another chilly start to the day. Tuesday, just about the same as Monday, and that was certainly jacket-worthy. Temperatures around the city here in the low 40s, but there'll be lots of 30s, maybe even as cold as 34 in Ann Arbor. Algonac, up the river there to Port Huron, 37-ish. Metamora around 39, 41 Howe, 42 in quite a few spots, including Detroit. So a very chilly start to your Tuesday. The nice thing is we get sunshine all day long. It gets us back to the mid-60s, quite a bit warmer than it was on Monday with that sunshine. However, the wind does pick up in the afternoon as well. You got to keep that in mind. So overnight tonight, 42 mile an hour. I'm sorry, 42 degrees for the low of Detroit. Mostly clear with some spots, certainly in the 30s for the suburbs. And then lots of sunshine. It's warmer, 65, but that breeze up to 20 miles an hour still make you put on the jacket and kind of put the collar up at times, even though we have the sunshine. And we keep that sunshine Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday as well, and back to the 70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Just a slight chance to finish off the weekend with a shower, a much better opportunity on Monday. Bundle up in the morning, enjoy the sunshine.